Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening your Capcut project and picking the most representative clip to correct first. Check basic scopes or rely on visual zebras. Set exposure using highlights, shadows, and contrast so midtones look natural. Next, fix white balance with temp and tint or the eyedropper to remove color casts. Once done, reduce global saturation slightly to avoid clipping and save this as a base state before moving into targeted adjustments. This keeps all subsequent tweaks consistent. Now you refine tone and color. Open curves and create an S for pleasing contrast, but keep shadow detail by lifting blacks a touch. Then go to HSL to lower or boost specific colors, desaturate green if skin looks off, push blue for a richer sky. Use masks to target areas like faces and feather generously so corrections blend. If subjects move, keyframe mask position. These steps give control over mood without destroying natural skin tones. Finish by matching all clips. Pick a reference frame, copy your grade, and paste to others, then tweak per shot for consistency. Before exporting, choose H. 264 and a higher bitrate for 1080p, confirm the color profile matches your destination, and render a short test clip. If colors look wrong after export, inspect LUT order and whether gamma or HDR options were toggled. Reapply or disable the LUT and re-export a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.